Next topic I'd like to talk about is food. Now, we all love the food over Christmas time. We love the turkey with all its trimmings and whatever other food materials and things that you might like and enjoy at Christmas time as well. But these can become a problem to pets. The biggest concept we want to get across is bones. Now, bones can be very dangerous, especially cooked bones, because they can splinter, they can get lodged in different areas and become a foreign body, as we've just spoken about. But the other problem that we have with food is that it's often very, very fatty and very, very rich. And feeding large amounts of these sorts of table scraps or leftovers to your pets at Christmas can cause all sorts of problems with gastroenteritis, where they can become vomity, they can have diarrhea, they can become easily dehydrated. Another problem that can arise with very, very rich and fatty foods is a thing called pancreatitis. And pancreatitis can be a really devastating problem. And the pancreas is an organ that gives us all our digestive juices. And if it becomes inflamed, and the most common thing that causes it is really rich and fatty foods, if that becomes inflamed, then we often have pets in hospital for quite a long time in intensive care. And some of those can be very, very debilitated, and it can potentially be life-threatening. One of my classic Christmas issues was a fantastic client of ours with their pet, and he decided that the Christmas ham was for them for Christmas. And they demolished the whole of the Christmas ham, all the fat layer and everything, and that poor pet came down with pancreatitis that Christmas. So please be aware that food is fantastic for us. A little morsel here and there of something low fat is perfectly okay. But please, table scraps are not food for pets. Avoid these high fatty foods, and please, please watch any of the bone material that might be as part of the Christmas leftovers, and be aware that it can become a foreign body and obstruct.